What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton, and today I'll be demonstrating one way that you can take a traditional light bulb and upgrade it to an LED. All the products and tools that I use for this demonstration will be down below in the description, so go check those out. And the time that it took me to complete this project was probably about a half hour. So let's get started. This is the bulb I want to change out to be an LED. Loosen up the screws, don't take them out all the way. Give the light fixture a little twist, and it comes right off. Don't touch any of the wires yet. You'll probably want to remove the bulb and also go to the breaker box and kill the power. And make sure to test with the voltage meter. Now this light fixture is super simple. There's this metal bracket that uses the existing screws and the actual LED light I'll show you how to attach and secure on there. Go back to your light and you're going to see these wing nut caps. Wing wire caps, wing caps, wing nuts, whatever they're called. You're going to remove them, and then you're going to separate your ground, your black wire, and your white wire. Save the caps. Apologies, the camera's a little shaky. I'm doing this all one-handed. Remove the old light fixture, and then grab that bracket. And on the bracket, pay attention to these hooks. You want those facing down. Orient the bracket holes for your screws to line up accordingly. You may twist and turn this a little bit just to make sure you're relatively in the center of this whole area in your ceiling. Then tighten down the screws. You don't want to over tighten to bend the metal. Now it's essentially take your black wires, connect them all together. Take your white wires, do the same thing. Ground wires, do the same thing. Use those old wire caps that you removed earlier. Once all of those are connected and capped, take the wires, shove them back into the ceiling. Get your light fixture, put it up. And this can be a little tricky because now you have to kind of guess where that light fixture is to then hook on those little metal hooks on that bracket. Here you can kind of see what you are trying to do. Get those hooks into these slots. May take some time, just kind of twist it a little bit and you'll get it. You can also pop off this plastic part of the light to help you find where those hooks are easier. And then it just snaps back on. Restore power, and now you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, hit that subscribe button right here. Or if you don't want to commit all the way and subscribe, then maybe just give it a like and maybe share with your friends or family. But also if you want to check out other videos that I've completed in the past, click this link right here. Thanks again.